There is a persistent question that has echoed from the creeks of the Niger Delta to the cocoa plantations of the Ivory Coast to the coffee fields of Ethiopia. Does Africa have the capacity to solve its own problems? Well, there is a decent response, because the game is changing and the players are evolving. In the heart of African energy's evolution is Century Group, a brand that has continually channeled its internal resources towards demonstrating excellence, competence, and foresight in solving problems across Africa.
Century Group started as earlier around 2000s, and we all were around it, pioneering it to the future. Our entire growth plan was to ensure that we empower the community. That plan has matured, and we have been able to assist a whole lot of people coming out from Nigeria and the Niger Delta area to earn a gainful job.
At Century Group, we believe that de-risking energy infrastructure investments in Africa is crucial to meeting the energy demand. This is the Century Group-owned FPSO Tamara Nanaye, a phenomenal asset that was instrumental to the induction of Lagos State into the League of Oil-Producing States in Nigeria and sustained the same from 2015 until 2021.
I had the chance 7 years ago to bring the ship from Singapore to this location. I had also the chance to connect it to the seabed, and since then, for 7 years, the unit was producing oil.
The 61,000-ton vessel, with a production capacity of 40,000 barrels per day and 769,608 barrels storage capacity, in December 2022 successfully disconnected from the Kalaekule Field in OML 113 and commenced her journey to rebirth at the Samsung Heavy Industries shipyard in the SHI-MCI Free Zone establishment.
It was a proud moment for all of us.
We had to disconnect the vessel from the field. It was a bit challenging for everybody here, since it was quite unusual operation for the crew.
This operation was orchestrated by the professional and competent mix of Nigerian engineers and seafarers who have successfully written their names in the sands of time by emphasizing the import and gains of local content in Nigeria through constant training and access to development opportunities.
My role in disconnection of the vessel was to ensure we prepare the job safety analysis of the job to ensure this job will done safely. And we done that. We carried out an in-depth risk assessment from beginning of all the activities, all the tasks that will take place. We analyze the risk and also the hazard that follow and the effects, and eventually put in some control measures to ensure we don't record any incident.
The FPSO Tomorrow Nanaye's voyage is special because it is the first production infrastructure FPSO to be upgraded in Nigeria for redeployment to a Nigerian field. During this exercise, over 3,000 Nigerians will be directly and indirectly employed to work on the scope of the upgrade.
With the launching of this FPSO, it's going to empower a whole lot of people and support Nigeria in increasing its production to a very marginal level. And that is part of our goal, and that's what we want to achieve.
Upon conclusion, this vessel would have transformed its mooring system from turret to spread and increased its gas handling capacity from 15 million standard cubic feet to 50 million standard cubic feet.
We have all the alarm at this panel that shows if you have any inefficiency in any of the working generator. We can easily monitor the working system of each and every working machinery here.
Also, the processing equipment would be enhanced to handle the additional volumes of gas, and the riser balcony would be changed to accommodate the production risers.